If I need to fertilize my peach tree, what would you recommend? This is Greg from Central New York, Mr. D. So again,
Yep.
how
about
peach
that?
tree, New York.
Peach trees in New York.
So if you have to fertilize, what would you recommend?
Nitrogen.
Okay.
That's one thing that you're going to need every year, at least nitrogen. If you have, of course, soil tests, I recommend the soil test.
Sure.
And if you have medium or high levels of potash or phosphorus, there's no need to add that. If you have low levels of potash or phosphorus, you do need to add that, P and K. But if you have medium levels, don't worry about that. But for every 100 pounds of peaches taken from a tree, a quarter pound of nitrogen is taken from the soil. Wow. So a rule of thumb, and I'm going to look at this right here, rule of thumb, a very good rule of thumb to follow, is 0.05 pounds of nitrogen, 0.05 pounds of nitrogen per tree per year of age, up to 1 pound of actual nitrogen per tree.
Per tree. Okay.
And every year, that's what the tree is going to need, depending upon the age of the tree. And then that's just that's what the tree needs. Bottom line.
Bottom line. Hey, got to get that done, right?
Yep.
Okay. Appreciate that question, Greg. Yep. And you know something else? Not a bad idea to soil test. No. Yeah. So yeah, give it your local extension service up that way, and see if they have any recommendations for you.
You can split that application if you like. Do it early, and then especially with the late maturing peaches, the freestone peaches later on, you can do another application like in the middle of the summer. Okay. Half of that, just so half. Or you can put it all out, right around bloom.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.